Upcoming M5 iPad Pro has been completely unboxed and reviewed in a leaked video before its official announcement. Benchmark reveals some solid performance gains, particularly in the GPU department. It looks like Apple's usually ironclad secrecy has sprung a leak, or Apple has purposely done it. The upcoming M5 iPad Pro, which has not yet been announced officially, got a full unboxing and hands-on treatment in the leaked Russian video. As expected, the design has not changed. The real meat of the leak came from Benchmark. According to Geekbench run on the video, the base M5 chip in the new iPad boasts 9 CPU cores, 3 low power, 6 performance, mirroring the M4. It also shows CPU speed increase between 12 to 15%. The most impressive jump appears to be in the graphics department with GPU boost of around 35%. That is a significant leap for gaming, video editing, and demanding creative workflows. It's rumored to pack 12 GB of RAM, building in line with the high-end iPhone 17 Pro. What appears that the internal specs are getting major shot in the arm. The unboxing video tells a different story about the exterior. It looks exactly like the previous generation. Super thin chassis coming with a braided USB Type-C charging as well.